Hi, in this video we learn how to protect a Excel file and worksheet. For our privacy and seek confidentiality of the data, we will put a password to your Excel file and we can add a password to your worksheet. For that, open the MS Excel file. This is one MS Excel file I opened. Click on Review tab. On the Review ribbon, you will find Protect and Share Workbook. Allow users to edit ranges. Protect Sheet. Protect Workbook. Share Workbook. Mainly, we have three buttons. One is the Protect Sheet. To protect only one sheet, you can go through this button. To protect entire workbook, go to this second option. To share the workbook, we'll use this button. I want to protect only single worksheet from others editing the data and adding the data or deleting the data. We protect the sheet. Click on Protect Sheet button and here it displays Protect Sheet dialog box. In this, the first checkbox is ticked. Protect worksheet and contents of locked cells. Here, type the password. I am typing one password. After typing the password, here below, allow all users of this worksheet to select locked cells, select unlocked cells, and here remaining options are unchecked. Here delete columns, delete rows, sort data, format rows, format columns. I am not allowing to do anything, just I am allowing select locked cells and select unlocked cells. Just selecting option is I am giving. By default, these two options are enabled for the user. After entering the password, click on OK. Again, it will ask the password for confirmation purpose. I am entering the password again. The password is case sensitive. Okay. Now the sheet 1 is protected by applying the password. Now I am trying to delete this one first cell data. Whenever I press the delete option, automatically the cell or chart that you are trying to change is protected and therefore read only. Now the sheet 1 is protected from the unwanted things. Here you cannot delete, you cannot modify. If the user trying to do anything, it doesn't accept. In this way, you can protect your data in a worksheet. If you want to do any modifications to your worksheet, again unprotect the sheet. Open the Excel file and make the sheet active and go to the Review tab. click on the review tab and go to the unprotect sheet button. Click on this one. It will ask the password to unprotect. Again I am typing the password, whatever the password I given to protect. After entering the password, click on OK button. Now the sheet is unprotected. The lock is opened. Now you can modify. You can delete the data. Now you will get all the rights to modification and delete or add. You can insert the columns or delete the columns. Okay. This is the procedure to protect the sheet, and whenever you want to modify the sheet again, you need to unprotect the sheet by entering the password. Then you can modify the sheet. After modifying, save the file. You can do some modifications. I will add some colors here. This is I'm adding some colors, background colors. I will insert one column, mother name. I'm adding the column as mother name, and I may enter some of the students' mother names. After adding the details, click on save option and go to the review button. Click on protect and give the password, new password. You can give one more password. Here, after giving the password, now I will allow the users to format the cells. I am accepting. I am giving the permissions to the users to format the cells. After giving these permissions, click on OK. Again, it will ask the password. For confirmation, enter the password. Click on OK. Remember, I given the permission to the users to format the cells. I can now the user can able to format the cells. Select the cell you want to format and click yes. Now you are able to format the cells, but you are unable to delete the data. You are unable to enter the data. You can't, it doesn't accept because you are not given the permissions to do addition or deletion of the data. Just you given the permission to format the cells only. You can format the cells data. You can increase the size or you can decrease the size or you can change the color. Everything you can, these formatting options can you can do, but you can't edit or delete the data. Now we will learn how to protect the entire workbook. To protect the entire workbook, click on the review tab and on the review ribbon you will find the protect workbook button. Click on this one. It will display some options. Protect structure and windows, restrict permissions, unrestricted access, restricted access, manage credentials. Click on protect structure and windows. It will ask protect workbook for structure and windows. I am just choosing the structure only, not for Windows. Give the password for this. After giving the password, click on OK button. It will ask the password again for the confirmation. Enter the password and click on OK button. Now the workbook is protected. Now close the workbook. Do you want to save the changes? Yes. I am trying to open this student data file. Okay. The Excel file is open. To unprotect the workbook, click on this protect workbook and click on protect structure. It will ask the password. Enter the password which you given earlier. Click on OK button. Then it unprotects the workbook. Okay, thank you.